Okay, y'all. So yeah, this is how much more stuff I gotta open up. It's a lot of things, a lot of goodies. Oh my god. I'm really being extra as fuck. But damn. Okay. So yeah, I'm ready to open up all this stuff. And y'all finna watch me. I don't know where my phone finna be sitting at, but you feel me? Yeah. Yo, I just tried on the slides. They perfect. They fit so perfect. They feel good. Thanks, Sheen. Alright, y'all. So I had to set up the camera and then I had to come back to y'all. I still got the slides. I got the slides on right now. Okay. So it's gonna be a little bit of a lot of packages. Kind of open. Got some gray. You feel me? These is really cute. Ooh, I love these. Those are really cute. Let me see. This is a turtleneck. Y'all gonna see what I put with this. The outfits, how I got it.
I don't need no fraud. I don't need no drama when you call.
All orange, to be honest. This is a jumpsuit, a one piece, and like the material on it, it's okay material. I'm sure y'all can see it. It's nice. Look like it'll fit right. What size did I get? Medium. I got medium. And it's a one piece. So I'm gonna try it on, see how that goes. Right now I'm just unboxing with y'all. Okay. I have no idea. Okay. I got some more jeans. They're really cute, stretchy. Don't say my size. Definitely, I don't know. It's good. Let me see about these. Okay. Next box. Go back to the. We go to the next one. Cause you know not all the time they can get it right, but they can almost get it right. Ooh, this is fire. Okay, damn, they long as heck too. I like these. Period. Period. Okay. They did their thing with these. Yeah, they did their thing with these ones. Okay, let me fold them up. They did their thing. I'm looking at this like, what in the world is this? Okay, this is that sweatshirt that I bought. It's like a crop top sweatshirt. But it's really cute. Okay. I got a varsity jacket from them. This is really, I like it. This is cute. This is cute. It's really cute. It's really cute. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, like, whoa, girl, this is a big unboxing. It kind of is a big unboxing. And I appreciate y'all staying and watching my video. Because the fits is coming, Booski. The fits is coming. You see this? This shirt right here? This is so cute and it's so fuzzy. Oh my gosh. See? The wrist on it. Don't play. This is cute. This is really cute. And when I wear it, ooh. Ooh wee. Okay. Feels so good. If y'all here with me right now, and I know I didn't turn around and talk to y'all for real as much as I'm unboxing and trying to look at the clothes that came in as well. But I want y'all to like and comment what other videos y'all would like for me to record on my YouTube. And subscribe as well. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and just continue to support me. And I appreciate y'all. And once we get to 1K, I got something for my followers. Period. My supporters. All right, back to this unboxing. Okay, I did get a trench coat. Because your girl needed a trench coat. So I got one. It's the last package that's in these. Do y'all see these? Yes, boots go all the way up to the knees. Don't play with it. These is fire. Did not disappoint. Did not disappoint. Make sure y'all get y'all a pair. Make sure y'all get y'all a pair. Alright, y'all. So that was the unboxing of my Shein shopping collection. I appreciate everybody coming and watching me, and I appreciate everybody supporting me. I'm just going to end the video right here, and thank y'all for watching. It's your girl, Ree, and we are out of this. Peace. See y'all later.